Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because we took a road trip to Hartsville, Tennessee, which I'm pretty sure it has more churches than the population itself because it has a ton of churches. We kind of did this on a whim. I wanted to get to Fall Creek Falls, but unfortunately it was a little too far for what we were able to do today. So we went to Hartsville. It's a very small town and it has a lot of really cool old buildings and older cars and just a lot of character. I don't know, it was really fun. I enjoyed it. I shot with the X100V today and I had a lot of fun with it, and I ordinarily shoot portraits, but today was a little bit different, so I trusted that the X100V would do the job, and in my opinion it did. I decided to edit my photos a little bit differently than I usually do. I wanted to do a little bit higher of a saturation, and I think it turned out pretty good as far as, you know, different for me. So I also got to use the ND filter, which is always fun, especially during the day in harsh light. And there was this older Cadillac that was coming through, and turned my ND filter on and then dropped down to like 1/30th of a second, maybe 1/15th of a second, and just kind of panned with the car. And it turned out all right. I mean, I was kind of close to the car. I wish I'd have been a little bit further back, but it was okay. But I'm glad that the ND filter was there to help me with that. You gotta love the X100V, you know? Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. Alright, so I'm here with my buddy Dan. There's Dan. Can you see yourself? And we're in Hartsville, of course, of all places in Tennessee, and we're just trying to find some spots to do some shots. So yeah, I brought the X100V and we're gonna see what we can get. Stop one complete. Cold broken window Dan found. Bye.